Are you getting this password authentication failed error message for your PostgreSQL database server? You either providing invalid password or you forgot the password for your super admin user account. Don't worry. In this video tutorial, I will step by step help you reset the password for your super admin user account of the PostgreSQL database server. Let's get started. To reset the Postgres user account password, follow the simple steps given in this video tutorial. I will close this PSQL window. In step 1, locate the PostgreSQL configuration file. On Windows 11, the file location is C drive, program files, PostgreSQL, the PostgreSQL version number 16 or 17, data, and scroll down and we can see this pg_hba.conf file. Create a directory here named backup-config. Copy the configuration file and paste it in the backup folder. Go back to data directory. In step 2, right click the config file and edit it in the Notepad application. Scroll down until you find a table with columns like type, database, user, address, and method. For the address column, wherever you see this address like 127.0.0.1/32 or ::1/128, on these data rows, replace whatever method you have with the trust value. Let me replace the values in my case. I will change here to trust. Same here. Replace the value with trust. Again here. And here. Now save the file and close the Notepad application. Minimize the data folder. In the third step, in Windows search, enter services and click to open this services window. On the services window, scroll down until you find PostgreSQL service. Select the name and click this Restart Service button. Once the PostgreSQL service restarted successfully, close the services window and open PSQL application from Windows Start, All Apps, PostgreSQL, SQL Shell or PSQL. Press enter to accept the default values. And you can observe that this time we logged into the PostgreSQL database server without password. But this is a temporary step and not good for security reasons. So we will set up a password for the Postgres user in the fourth step. Enter the password reset SQL command like alter user, then name of the user, Postgres, password keyword, and in single quotes the new password. In my case, I will enter the password pass1234 single quote complete and semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. In your case, replace the pass1234 with a password of your choice and make sure this time you remember the password or note it down somewhere. Press enter and you will get this alter role confirmation message. Now log out from the PostgreSQL database server. /Q, press enter. In the fifth and final step, go back to PostgreSQL configuration file location and from your backup folder, copy and replace the configuration file. Minimize the folder. Again open services window. Scroll down and select the PostgreSQL service and restart the service again. After restart, close the services window. Now let's test our new password. To do that, again open PSQL application. From Windows Start, All Apps, PostgreSQL, SQL Shell or PSQL. Accept the defaults. And this time we get a prompt to enter the password for the Postgres user. Enter the new password we just set. I will enter my password. Press enter. And sure enough, we are successfully logged into the PostgreSQL database server with the new password. I hope this password reset tutorial was helpful to you. If you encounter any issue or don't understand something, feel free to ask me questions in the comment section of this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video tutorial.